Well, I'm out here at the Crown Vic, and I figured this will be a good car to test a new thing I got here. It's a Don King action figure. Now actually it's a digital audio recorder, but I'm going to use it as an external mic on this camera, and I figured this Crown Vic would be a good test for it because no other camera I've had, the microphones inside of them have ever really captured the sound of this car as well as it could, so I figured that's going to be a perfect test for this thing. Let's go ahead and hook this up to the camera and see how it sounds. Alright, I've got the battery in it, and I've got the microphone hooked up to the camera here. So I figure this should be a good test as long as the Crown Vic starts. We'll find out. Well, I listened to it, and it got really muted once the car started, so I'm going to give this a try again. I've played with some of the settings on the audio recorder, so hopefully you can hear it, and it will work good. Well, unfortunately, the audio kind of mutes out when the engine starts, and I think that's due to the camera, the internal settings on that, which I don't think I can change. But another issue is when I have the audio cable plugged in, there's a lot of static on the camera, so I won't be able to use this as an external mic for the camera. But what I can do is just record right on the digital audio recorder and then edit it in to the camera video later. So let's give that one more try, and we'll fire this up and see how it sounds with just the digital audio recorder. Well, hopefully that sounded better. Alright, that last one was kind of quiet, so I turned up the volume a little bit on the recorder. Let's give it one more try. Hopefully that sounds a little better.